Now let's try to understand the blockchain concept at very high level with an example. So in this example, we have a person with the name John, and he is doing the interaction with second person with the name Mark. So John is sending some kind of information to a Mark. So this interaction at very high level is known as a transaction. So what happened in a blockchain? So this transaction will get stored to one of the block in a blockchain. So that block number one, which you can see here, it will contain the transaction, but it will not contain only that transaction. It can have more than one transaction stored in that block. So then you will have other blocks like block number two, which can also contain different transaction. And this block one and block two are tied together. So same way you will have block number three, which contains different transaction, and this will also tied up to your block number two. So at very high level, blockchain is nothing, just a chain of different blocks where each of these blocks contains some kind of transactions.